Today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 2742e printer, and I'm going to show you how to enter this printer into the setup mode or how to reset the Wi-Fi network of this printer so that you can connect it with the new Wi-Fi network. Now it's a very easy method. You have to switch on the printer, go to the control panel, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button all together. So I'll show you again. Cancel button and wireless button. Hold it until the power button starts to flash. Release it. You will see power button will stay on after some time and the blue light will start flashing. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode and it's ready to connect with the new Wi-Fi network, and it is disconnected from the old Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.